Hello everyone. On August 26 and 27, we're again hosting the Alpbach Technology Symposium along with our partner ORF Radio OE1. We are expecting an exciting program, and it is with interesting plenary sessions on the Great Transformation. A particular highlight is the session on the Great Green Transformation, where we're having as guest our Minister for Climate Protection, Leonore Gewessler, and Andreas Streichel, the President of the European Forum Alpbach. We will also have a session on how COVID has changed the scene on research, technology and innovation worldwide. And we will have as guest Detlef Günther, who is the Vice President of the ETH Zurich, and Helga Nowotny, the former President of the European Research Council, who will share with us their views and their thoughts on that. For those who are interested in art, our plenary session on Artec is the place to visit. The founder of the Vienna Biennale, Christoph Thun-Hohenstein, and the president of the University of Applied Arts, Gerald Bast, will discuss how art can initiate a rethinking of how a sustainable world can be implemented. If you are interested in joining the Technology Symposium, you can still get tickets. And you can get them on the homepage of the European Forum. So come and join us in Alpbach or in the digital format. Hope to see you soon.